Good afternoon, family. I've been walking around today with this on my head. I braided and branded my hair this morning, and then I shampooed my hair. As I was putting my braids in, I realized that I wanted a very good braid out after my hair dried. And so I purposely put in several plaits in my hair. I will count them for you. But before I move any further into this video, it's always appropriate for me to stop. Thank my subscribers for your support. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for commenting on the video. And thank you for sharing the video. I really appreciate you. And if there's anyone watching right now that has not done those things, subscribe, like, share, comment, get ready to do so. You have 1, 2, 3, click. And make sure you click on that notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Now, I purposely put in a number of plaits in my hair because I knew that I wanted a braid out. This video is being recorded with a purpose. It is to let you know that some of you have your comments turned off. And I want to comment on your video. Now, there's been a few people that I've been able to contact and say, your comments are disabled, so I can't comment on your video. And then those people will go back, make sure the comments are turned back on. Well, I'm still seeing this periodically. And I really think that the solution is simple. When you are uploading your videos, there's a question that asks, is this video for kids? And if you do not say, no, this video is not for kids, then your comment is automatically turned off and I can't comment. And I want to comment because I see some nice videos that I cannot comment on, and I like the interaction. So make sure that when you are uploading your video, you look for that question and then say, no, it's not for kids, because your comments are off to protect the kids. Now, let's see how many plaits I have in my hair. Okay. And I'm going to let it dry because I don't want my hair to frizz up like it did in the past. I'm going to take these bands out of my hair and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Take this, take it around. And I'm going to do this all over my head, and then I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more. I'm back, and I purposely left this one loose so you could see me do this Bantu knot one more time. And so now I know you've got it. You've got the hang of this, so you can do that yourself. Yes. If you have checked your videos and now you have turned your comments on, please comment on this video and say, thank you, Jean G, for letting me know that my comments were off and what I need to do to turn it back on. That's just common courtesy, guys. And then I'd like for you to comment on my video. Let me be honest. I love to see that someone has commented on my video. But I'm hoping that this video today helped someone I'm going to take the rest of the day to make sure that my hair dries. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere with these BantuKnots in my head. I will be home letting my hair air dry. And I will come back in another video so that you can see exactly how my hair turns out. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. And I love my followers. I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over and over again. Have a great day.